Oh, hey. Hi there. My name's Tyler, and I'd like to welcome you to Millennial Wrench. I'm glad you stumbled upon our channel, and I hope you'll enjoy your time here. Hang out with us. Come along on some of our adventures. Have a laugh as I bumble my way through various projects, and occasionally rope my friends in as well. We love things that roll, explode, make noise, be they trucks, cars, bikes, or random oddball machinery. There should be something for everyone. Most importantly, we're not professionals. We're hobbyists just like yourselves. And if we can do some of the crazy stuff that we plan to do, then you can too. We hope that you'll be able to gain some inspiration for your own projects. Well, even if all it is getting the courage to change the oil like you've been meaning to. I hope you'll be able to join us for our adventures. Watch us attempt to dodge cones, rescue things we shouldn't, and enjoy the cool things we come across. Our first video will drop on April 23rd. We will generally post videos on the second and fourth Saturday of the month. You can find us on Instagram as well for more regular updates. Once again, I'd like to welcome you to Millennial Wrench. Where did I leave that tool?